The 2025 Toyota Corolla has arrived, and it is already being called the most wanted electric SUV of the year. Toyota has taken its legendary reliability and combined it with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology to create an SUV that is efficient, stylish, and packed with advanced features. With a sleek new design, an upgraded battery, and impressive technology, the 2025 Corolla EV is set to dominate the electric SUV market. The exterior of the 2025 Corolla EV has been completely redesigned, featuring a bold aerodynamic shape, sleeker LED headlights, and a modern front grille. Toyota has focused on reducing drag to improve efficiency while giving the SUV a more futuristic and sporty appearance. New alloy wheel designs and fresh color options add to the appeal, ensuring that the Corolla EV stands out on the road. Inside, the 2025 Corolla EV offers a spacious and high-tech cabin designed for maximum comfort. The premium interior features soft-touch materials, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting that enhances the driving experience. A large 12.3-inch digital touchscreen serves as the centerpiece of the infotainment system, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium audio system for an immersive listening experience. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the 2025 Corolla EV is powered by Toyota's latest battery technology. The SUV delivers an impressive 300-mile range on a single charge, making it perfect for both city commutes and long road trips. The electric motor provides instant torque, ensuring smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Toyota has also introduced an advanced regenerative braking system that maximizes efficiency by converting braking energy back into power. Fast charging technology allows the battery to reach 80% charge in just 30 minutes, making recharging quick and convenient. Toyota continues to prioritize safety, equipping the 2025 Corolla EV with its latest Safety Sense suite. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These advanced safety technologies work together to provide peace of mind on every journey. With an affordable starting price, exceptional efficiency, and Toyota's reputation for durability, the 2025 Corolla EV is one of the most desirable electric SUVs on the market. Would you consider making the switch to this all-electric Corolla? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.